Hello, dear colleagues from ILO Crisis, also in ILO Jakarta, and the project. I'm Tom Wambik from the International Training Center, and have developed for you a training proposal in combination with ILO Crisis in order to find a good combination between the local economic recovery guidelines and also the training of trainers, because it's quite an important component just in order to replicate or to multiply this type of training. I've provided you with a generic document which you see here in front of you. The purpose of this screencast is to give you a little bit more background documentation what this proposal exactly entails, because it's not just the delivery of a workshop. It implies much more, and that's what should become actually visible in the upcoming 5 minutes. I think the strength of this joint collaboration with ILO Crisis and the Center is that, apart from, let's say, the content that is already validated and tested, the guidelines, we have done them already in several countries. The combination with really participatory learning approach and the training of trainers approach makes it really a good example that works in different contexts. What I've done is I prepared for you kind of an online space where I documented everything what I'm saying, so after this video you can also go through it. Basically what I want to say is that, first of all, we will provide you, let's say, with a tailor-made agenda, because you selected specific modules out of that training. So we will first of all construct a tailor-made agenda, have a look at the one we have prepared in a different project. This was here for Colombia. And it's not just the agenda for each session. There will be probably more than 15 sessions in a 1-week training. Every session is integrated with a whole set of pedagogical parameters, from very easy things from learning objectives to methodologies to evaluation to the materials and to the timing, so that each instructional sheet can also be reused for future purposes by trainers and also by the participants, because one of the objectives is that they reuse this. For your information, I've included 3 activities that we've done in a previous project. Bear in mind that we have to contextualize this, but at least you have 3 samples that give you an idea on how the session looks like, and that it's much more than just delivering the content. There's really a specific approach to it. A third element that I've emphasized is that apart from the content, each activity will debrief, as it was also a kind of a training of trainers exercise. And throughout, not only the delivery but also before and after, participants will be accompanied by the entire learning management cycle in a very user-friendly way. We will include several TOT guides that will be reused for this purpose. And if you want to see, for example, all the different methodologies that we are using in this project, I really invite you to click to one of our toolkits, and you will see all this, let's say, from case studies to storytelling exercises to participatory modeling to jigsaw to round robins, all different methodologies that we will adapt in function of this training, which also can be translated to Bahasa. So going back to the online space, of course, certificates as also part of the thing. We will do a learning needs analysis also in a very open way just before the training, and also we want to include at least 3 levels of evaluation so that you have enough and sufficient data to back up the impact of these 2 trainings. In attached you will find a typical level 1 evaluation that we have done on the previous project, so you also see what the results were in the previous project, but also we include level 2 and level 3 from Kilpatrick with also specific methodologies that we use for that. So I hope that within this very quick 5 minutes you see an idea of what the added value of the International Training Center could be. There would be guidance before, during and after. There would be a tailor-made training package that could be reused for future purposes, and also training of trainings components that maybe also will inspire the others, not only the participants, but that also might be replicable for other projects. If you have any other questions for me, please feel free to contact me at t.wambeke@itcilo.org or Skype me. We will be very looking forward to work together with you, And I'm saying bye for now. Have a look at the wiki, and hopefully we'll meet